In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos using only PowerPoint. If you've ever built a great slide deck and wished you could turn it into a clean, shareable video, this workflow is all you need. No extra software required. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can create a brand new presentation or open an existing one you'd like to turn into a video. Before you record, take a moment to finalize your slides. Make sure your images, on-screen text, animations, and transitions are exactly how you want them. Anything that appears during your slideshow, like click-triggered animations, can be captured in the recording, so having everything set now will save time later. When you're ready, look to the top ribbon and open the Recording tab. If you don't see it, update PowerPoint to a recent Microsoft 365 version, since the recording tools are built in there. Inside the Recording tab, select Record Slideshow. PowerPoint switches to the recording view. Think of this as your built-in studio. You'll see your current slide in the center, recording controls, a timer, and options for your microphone and camera. Before you begin, confirm your microphone is selected and picking up sound. Speak briefly and watch the audio level indicator move. That's your quick check. If you want to appear on screen, you can turn on your camera, but that's completely optional. A quiet room and consistent mic distance will help your narration sound its best. Click the red record button and present just like you normally would. Speak clearly and advance through slides using your mouse or arrow keys. If a slide has animations, trigger them as you explain your points. PowerPoint records your voice, your slide timings, and those on-screen actions. Take your time and present naturally. If you slip up on one slide, don't worry. You can re-record just that slide instead of starting the entire presentation over. When you reach the final slide, click stop, then close the recording view to return to the main PowerPoint window. Your narration and timings are now embedded into each slide. To export your video, go back to the Recording tab and choose Export to Video. Click Create Video. You'll see quality options. Full HD 1080p is a great balance for online sharing without huge file sizes. Choose where to save the file, give it a clear name, and click Save. PowerPoint will generate an MP4, and you can watch the progress in the status bar. Once it's finished, you have a fully playable video ready to upload, share, or edit further. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, practical PowerPoint guides.